Hello, welcome back. Let's darken this road in Photoshop so that this bright and pale road can look newly surfaced and darker, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? So let's start creating one. You hold the left click button, head over to polygonal lasso tool, and then click on the points that construct the road to select the road area only so that you can darken the road. Do it slowly and carefully. Make sure you pay attention to the smallest details, such as the barriers. When you're done selecting the road, double click on the outer side of the image and then click on the folder icon to create a new group, and then click on this layer mask icon and then click here, click on brightness and contrast, set the brightness levels to -100 and then the contrast level to 50. 52 will do, around 49, and then afterwards right click on it, click on blending options, head over to underlying layer, and then hold the alt key on your keyboard, drag it until it reaches 100 and 70-ish, so that you can still see the yellow part on this road, and then click on OK. Afterwards click here and then click on curves so that you can still retain the shadow level for the road and the highlights as well, just like this. Make this part round, just like this. Just round, just like this. And then all you have to do is to click on here and then set the feather for the edge to 2.8 so that it looks as if it was not edited, just like this. It's now newly surfaced. Now your road is darkened. Before, after. That's how you can darken a road in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!